Welcome. Gain Trading Crypto, MW over here. Welcome to the live. We're gonna talk about Bitcoin. How much lower could we go? What's going on with the altcoins, financial markets? Gonna answer some questions. Also about the free private group. A lot of DMs coming in about that one. Well, it's gonna be a great show. Also going to chart some altcoins. Look how far they still could go. So guys, share the vid. I'm sorry, but it went wrong again with the link. So please join us on this link. So if someone in the other live is in the chat, I shared it already. Tell them to use the link shared and pinned on the other vid. So we're gonna wait for them to get in. So one moment, please, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay, thank you. Welcome, guys. I hope that most of you guys managed to get into this. You know, it's every time this freaking OBS. I manage a live and then it just deletes it. I don't know what it does. So I have to make another one. So guys, okay, welcome back. Oh, I'm really very glad you guys joined in. I haven't been doing a live today in the morning. YouTube was not allowing me to. They told me you're just having too much viewers and too much likes, too much comments. You're overheating the whole system at YouTube. So that's why, well, they gave me the green light. They told me, well, you're welcome here. Well, let me see. Who do we got over here? We got Mario. Welcome, Mario. Sonia, welcome. Kevin Bruner. Oh, yeah, how do I get access? I have a Bluefin account already. It's very simple, Kevin. You can DM me your DM me on TG. It's the same username, just like Twitter. DM me, and then our contact can flip you from, I don't know where you are, but flip your account to the Emerald Color community, and that's how you can join. So you don't have to, you don't need to open up a new account at Bluefin. So you just can use your one. Okay, Mitch, hey, MB, we're waiting for you. Thank you, Mitch. Gary Kaufman, good evening. Rocketbox, Alcapops. We've got Danny Dix, hello. Rocketbox is watching. Soccer, football, yes. Well, I'm waiting for tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to happen. Okay, Mamar, bonjour, Mamar. Bonjour, Cosmin, good evening, MB. Okay, thank you, guys. Okay, let's dive in. So first of all, guys, very important. I think that most of you guys forgot about it, and I didn't want to repost it on Twitter. And there's a reason why I didn't want to repost it on Twitter. Guys, the chart that I showed you guys past days. What did I tell you? I told you the US 500. You remember that chart that was going like up, and then I put on, I did it like this. I did something like this, all those red things. Well, we reached this one. We went a bit, maybe 10 points high, but we're now going this exactly as that chart. It's on Twitter, by the way, if you want to find it. But I didn't want to tweet about it. I have my reasons, personal reasons for that one, because there are a lot of haters out there, and you know, I keep nailing those targets. I keep nailing my things. So first of all, guys, what did I? Well, you know, guys, I will not always be on YouTube. I want you guys to educate and to do this yourselves. Create your own communities, create your own groups. That's my goal. That's what I want. I want you guys to be retailers, the retail army, and just be those successful professional traders out there and just go against anything what CT is made about. So I really want you guys to do that. But why did I teach you guys? As long as we're below the indicator on the daily, you just have to be cautious. So you have to be cautious. Today I shared that I took profits from the buy zones that have been filled. It was an average of 14.8. You know, it's not a lot. It's not a lot, 40.8. But you know, I can buy myself 50% more with the same money. That's my style. That's my style. Because if you own the skills to time markets, why not use it to make a lot of money? Because I can buy myself. Listen, I'm gonna show you guys. Where is that chart? Was it this one? No, it was this one. No, it was this one. No. Okay, the chart is gone. Okay, well, that's not so nice. Where is that chart? It disappeared. That's very strange. Okay, well, okay, I will get it. I got it on a later stage. But what you're seeing now is this, guys. We're just going down. We're going down as long as we're below this indicator. We're going down, and you know, we had these dumps past days, but these dumps were very healthy. There, nothing special was happening. But in the meanwhile, you know, you have to see it like this. As a trader, you have to be thinking like this. I don't care if Bitcoin goes up or Bitcoin goes down. I just don't care about that. Because if you're here for the show and for the predictions and for the capo things and the FOMO things, you're wrong over here. We are in here to make money every freaking day. So that's up or down. I don't care. Up or down, you make some money. So today also I shared this in the free private. This is on the 12 hours, guys, because this indicator, you have to keep flipping and seeing where the money is. And the 12 hours, look how is it? Look how it's looking on the indicator. This is really mind-blowing. By the way, guys, I partnered up today with Blofin. The team has been killing me about Blofin. Please, bro, partner up with Blofin. Please, bro, please. I told them no. We've got Weex. That's our non-KYC exchange that we trade on. No, please add Blofin. Ofen is the best exchange for trading this or whatever. And they like the trading webpage or whatever. I told them, listen, it's the same. It's, you know, I haven't tested Blofin. The team has been trading on it. And there are also some people from the free private that trade on Blofin. And they were also telling me, please, bro. Please, bro. And, you know, past weeks, maybe I've gotten like 30, 40 DMs about Blofin. Please, bro, just partner up with Blofin. Well, okay, I partnered up with Blofin. So go trade on Blofin, and I don't know. I haven't tested it yet, so I will test it and I will tell you guys my honest opinion. But I've checked it today and it's looking very good, and they have got a lot of altcoins out there. A lot of altcoins, and you know, there are also a lot of banter communities. That was something with Gummy going on over there. I don't know what it is, but I don't know. But it's somehow there is something with this Blofin exchange. I really have no clue. But either way, if you want the indicator, you don't have to open up only on Weex or OKX. You can also open up an account on Blofin. And the team decided that they will, because the partnership is new and there is a deposit bonus or whatever, they told that they will add the first traders from Blofin directly into the private. So let's see how that's going to work out. So if you want to join us, there is not a link below because I haven't added Blofin yet. You can find Blofin on my Twitter page. So guys, listen, I shared this in the free private with some lines, some resistance levels. And you see, it was the moment when I shared you guys this one. I shared you guys this one. That's why you have to focus when I'm tweeting. When I'm tweeting, focus, because I'm not tweeting something to get paid. I'm not tweeting something because I have nothing to do in my life. No, I'm sitting at my desk, I'm trading, making money. And while I'm making money, I'm showing you guys how to do it. And this was today what showed me, because I tweeted this and there were some that told me, well, this is how retailers read this, because I saw this happening. I told you, oh, what's going on over here? And then I got like, this is manipulation, this is this. That's not how I saw it. I didn't see any manipulation over here. What I saw was this. they flushed out. They flushed out the longs over here that are long the VIX. That's what they did. This is really, this happened also in crypto a lot of times, guys. They flushed out those longs. They liquidated them all over here. And then you had this candle closing up under 50 minutes. And that was my sign, okay, this thing wants to break out. It's catching a bit. That's what I saw when I saw this. And then you had this candle, and then boom, 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 boom. So now we're retracing a bit, but we broke out. And on the 4 hour, as you guys can see, we closed above it. We broke out of this line. So this is how you can time markets. And this is when you see things like this, is when you, if you are in any longs, or you're bought in the blood and you're in profits, take the damn profits. There's nobody that I know that has been poor from taking profits. Nobody. It's only the greedy people that don't take profits, and well, they regret it a lot of times. So for now, this is the VIX, and we're watching. So for now, let's see what is our next zone for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, by the way, guys, I need to say this also, Bitcoin is holding pretty strong for now. And the reason for that is maybe because you have to understand that Bitcoin, there's a lot of leverage going on in Bitcoin. And when there are too many shorts opened, Bitcoin could hold very strong, even bounce. But that's just temporary. And then when they flushed out, it's the same like this VIX. When they flush out when they flush them out, that's when they will dump the price and it will come down. So for now it's very easy, guys. You just put it on the weekly indicator. It's ramping up. This is the first level, 63K. This is the level to watch now. If we'll lose this level, then the next level is just simple. We just put on the indicator, it's 55K, back to this zone. So this is at least what I want to see. This is at least what I want to see. So it depends on what the financial markets will do tomorrow. Will we get a big bounce up, or will they dump even more? But, you know, I'm expecting a dump, but this is at least what we need to expect. That's this one, this dump down. So this dump down could create more blood on altcoins, but also this could be a buying opportunity to start scaling in on those strong altcoins that have been dumping so hard. So don't wait for this thing to just come down like a rock. That's not what we do in trading. What we do in trading is we buy the blood, and the blood means that you buy it. Let me show you. Blood, when something like this happens, you buy. When it bounces up, you sell. When it dumps more, you buy. When it bounces up, you sell. When it dumps more, you buy. When it bounces up, you sell, take profits. You can also leave a bag running just in case we're gonna get something like this. And I'm not saying on Bitcoin, I'm talking about altcoins. So that's something to keep in mind. That's the stuff. That's what a trader does. That's how a trader protects his capital and makes money every day, again and again and again. And call me crazy. I tweeted about this. It was just like when I was on Spaces, that guy that was telling, well, Bitcoin and crypto is getting correlated. Well, today I showed you how it's not incorrelated. It's correlated only at the downside. But guys, for now, this is the level to watch, 63K. Keep an eye on it. Maybe we'll hit it tonight. Maybe we will hit it today. It's possible, guys. It's really possible. We could even hit it tonight. It's happened. But this is for me, if we will manage to get at these zones over here, this is for me when I will be scaling in on my spot backs, buying blood. Over here, this could be a trading opportunity. Just a quick trade, make some money and get out. But this zone over here around the 63 is my start DCA buying in again. I hope that's clear, and I hope that you guys understand what I just said. I wanted to show you guys something else. I always tell you, this thing never disappoints me. Never disappoints me. And I know for the ones that are new into this live, I've shared this. The ones that watch my lives are here always with me. I told you. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? What did I tell you? I told you guys, it's just when they get into the box, we're going to ramp up and this will create pain. I told you in the previous vids. So it's happening again and again and again. It keeps happening. It keeps happening. It's mind-blowing. But, you know, because, you know, for the ones that have been with me for a long time, I said it over here, 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 I shared it over here, and I said it over here. It's just, you know, guys, it's very simple. When these freaks over here, these whales at Bitfinex show you that they're bottoming out, it's when you have to be cautious. Because when they start opening those shorts again, they will create pain in the markets. And I have to tell you again and again, Bitcoin is holding very strong. But for how long? Bitcoin is holding very strong at this moment. So that's bullish short term. It's holding very strong, but for how long? Because I expect at some point that it will dump back again. And I want to show you guys another chart, very important. Also showed you guys this chart already. Guys, this thing is scary. This is gold against Bitcoin. Guys, I don't know, many of you guys probably are not following a lot of the economics, what's going on in the world. I've been sharing gold from 1600 on the triple. It's now at, what is it? It's now, I think, at 23, 24. So already 60% up. But guys, gold is ramping up. Gold could reach much higher levels, guys, especially with the rate cuttings going on in Europe. Because if you don't understand this thesis, let me explain you. We've got now the rate cutting going on in Europe. It means when rate cuttings happen, that's very bullish for gold, silver, etc. So keep that in mind. Because when if the rate cuttings will start also in the USA, you could see gold really making big moves up. Keep that in mind because people will flip their money into gold. And I hope that they will also flip it into Bitcoin, but it's this chart that shows us that. And for now, guys, look how wrecked this chart is because Bitcoin has been destroying gold past weeks, months. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Gold has been destroying gold. So keep an eye on this one. Because if gold will start showing strength against Bitcoin, it could cause a lot of pain to Bitcoin. Keep that in mind. I'm just saying, because look where we are. We are at the bottom. This is something to keep in mind. So that's about that. Guys, I'm going to give you guys 10 seconds to show me your altcoins, what you're watching. Maybe questions about the financial markets. You can ask me anything about Forex, about stocks, about indexes, about Bitcoin, altcoins, whatever. Just ask me. I will answer you guys. Give you guys 10 seconds and then we'll head into that's what I had to say for now. Thank you. Okay, guys, first of all, I'm going to talk a bit about what I'm planning to do. So altcoins that are looking good and is it maybe time that we start watching? Because past months with the ETH ETF, we didn't get the ETH ETF doing its thing as it should. So maybe it's now time for ETH. So I want to show you guys the ETH narrative. So first of all, let's see ETH, because ETH, guys, be prepared for ETH, because if ETH will start ramping up, it not only ETH will ramp up, a lot of altcoins will ramp up. So we have to focus on ETH. So first of all, ETH, if it will get some kind of drop into this box over here, guys, I'm gonna scoop myself some ETH. Just saying. No financial advice, I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing. I will be buying some ETH. So if ETH will get into the 3K levels, I'll start buying, scooping some ETH. That's number one. But it's not only about ETH, because look at this, guys. It's trying to break out over here. My alarms are set. If this thing breaks out, ETH is our hero. She's the queen. If ETH starts ramping up, a lot of altcoins will start ramping up. Keep that in mind, because there's only one altcoin in the world that can destroy the Bitcoin dominance chart, and that's ETH. So no Solana, no VeChain, no Polkadot, no. The only chart that can destroy the Bitcoin dominance chart is ETH. And if we want to make money on altcoins, a lot of money, we need ETH to break out over here. This is a 55% run up. So this is when altcoins will shine. But keep in mind, we need Bitcoin to make its dump and thus start ranging. We need a big candle. Why not a candle of 10K? Why not a candle of 10K to 55, maybe even to 50? I don't care. But if Bitcoin goes back to that region that I pointed out in the beginning of the stream, and this one starts breaking out, that's when altcoins start shining. But what altcoins will be shining? That's what we're going to talk about now. Well, first of all, MEXC. I was eyeing it today. It's looking strong. Looks like the bulls are heading in. So I've been getting filled on MEXC, just like shared over here, as you guys can see. I took some off the table today on the rise up. But MEXC, guys, MEXC. So if we will get a dump, if we will get into the 55, 54, whatever, to the 40, 30, I don't care. I will put in buy orders on MEXC until the 33, 32 cents. I really want, if this thing comes down, guys, especially in this box, I'll be scooping some MEXC. So let me go to the next one, LDO. This is all, I'm gonna talk only about ETH narratives, guys. So LDO. LDO is not low enough for me, but LDO could ramp up very hard, by the way, guys. So keep this also in mind. This is one of those ETH narratives. So this is ETH narrative. But in my opinion, LDO didn't dump enough. Let me go to the next one. This is also ETH narrative, guys. Chainlink. A lot of people are not talking about. I want Chainlink in the box. It's very simple. So I will only buy Chainlink if it will hit 11 bucks or lower. But I will buy a Chainlink because Chainlink is also related to what a head and shoulders over here. Nice. Well, Link, calm down. So let me go to the next one. QNT. Look, this thing is super wrecked. So if this thing will dump down, whatever, just scoop some QNT. Then we've got IMEXC. IMEXC had some nice ramp up over here. Well, this is where I gave the call to short it. It went up and they re-entered over here. So this one, if IMEXC will get into these zones again, 60 to 40 cents, I will buy some. Pendle. Pendle is just too expensive for me, but Pendle could do great. If ETH starts ramping up, Pendle could do great, but this is just not my style. I don't buy FOMO. So I will not buy Pendle, even if it makes another 10x from here, I don't care. I will not buy this. Next one, LRC. Oh my God, come baby, come into this. I want my alarm to go off over here. I'll be buying a nice bag of LRC around the 12, 13 to the 10 cents. That's about that. Then you got this wrecked coin. Look at this, guys. What is this? Bull. Degen back. If it goes back to the... This is looking so wrecked, guys. What is this? It already hit. I didn't get hit. I have this box over here, by the way, guys, but I didn't buy it. I didn't buy this one. I haven't put any buy orders on this coin. So if this coin comes back down, Degen back, you can make a lot of money, but also ETH narrative. So let me see, did I get or not? No, I will go to your coins now. These are the coins that I wanted to share with you guys, just that are ETH related. And we got Arbitrum also, by the way. Arbitrum is also one of them. And Optimism also. So we've got Optimism. Where are those? Optimism and Arbitrum. Here's Arbitrum. I got it over here. Look, Arbitrum. I know that you guys don't know this, but we shorted this from here. We shorted this from here. We shorted this from here. Made a lot of money. But listen, Arbitrum, what's going on with Arbitrum? Arbitrum, guys, is ETH related. Also, keep this in mind. So let me put on this one, because did we make another? Yes, we made another low. So this one is gone. There is another chart, by the way, from Arbitrum, but Arbitrum, in my opinion, over here is a nice scoop for Arbitrum, around 63 to 50 cents. So I'll be buying definitely Arbitrum over here. Definitely be buying up. And then someone asked me about Aptos. Aptos, I shared this already. I made this, and the ones that have been watching my lives, I told you this line is not gonna hold. Do you remember? The ones that remember, do you remember when I did Aptos and I told you guys, this line is not gonna hold? And why was this line not gonna hold? Because Bitcoin was at that time at 72, 73K, and I knew that this was not gonna hold. So Aptos, I'm also very bullish on Aptos, so very good one for the one that shared Aptos. Aptos starts scaling in at $5. This is I will buy 1000%. I will buy some Aptos over here. 1000. I didn't buy in on the dump or whatever, so I'm just waiting. So I want Aptos, I want it over here around the $5. And for the ones that have been in the free private group for me for some time, we made sick money. Just sick money on Aptos. We traded Aptos like crazy. So, and then we've got Optimism. I cannot find it here, but I will do Optimism. And now let me do It's a very important one, guys. Optimism is also very important. You have to keep an eye on those ETH narratives, guys. Aptos. Optimism looks like Aptos at some point. So this is a nice box. This is a nice box. This is a nice box. Let's see. Let me do it like this. Let me do it like this. Over here. Over here. So from the 140 and lower, 140 to $1. I'll be scooping some Optimism. Optimism, I don't know. There is something going on with this Optimism guy. Let me check. I want to check the, what is going on with this Optimism? There is something going on with a lot of solid, good people are really bullish on this project. I don't know why. There is something going on with Optimism. I don't know what it is, but Optimism is, there's something going on with Optimism. I'm not liking this. This is the problem with Optimism. Those freaking fully diluted market cap is a 4x. Let me check Aptos. Aptos. How is Aptos looking? There's just too many. It's the same. It's the same. That's why I shared so many short setups. You might scoop some, but I'm just saying the fully diluted markups are not looking good for these coins. So that's why I think they have been. But when they go up very strong. So trading wise, maybe trade it, hold long term, midterm. I wouldn't do it. So let me go to the chat, guys. I want to see what you guys are saying over here. So let me see whether we've got Muhammad Ali. Hello, Atole. Good evening. Tomorrow the triple witching day. Triple witching day. What do you mean by that? Martin, hello, Roseville, good evening. Analyzes Aptos, I did that one. Could you take a look at GMX, please? Well, okay, GMX, what do we got? Omikami, what is Omikami, Kevin? Is that a coin or what is it? Cake? What's your thoughts about stable regulation by Mika? Should we stop everything to use this year already? I really don't know. You know what, Oleg? I've been reading something about it, but I've been seeing so much attacks on USDT, on Tether, but they somehow always survive it. And they already are also starting to flip to gold backup Tether backed by real gold. So I really don't know. I'm not too worried about USDT for now. It could change, but I really don't know. So you do commodities like wheat too? Yes, I definitely do wheat, Sonia. I do a lot of commodities. Commodities, most people don't know this, but my biggest bags are commodities. My biggest bags are commodities. Most of the money that I trade and buy is commodities. It's silver, it's natural gas, it's aluminium, it's copper, it's wheat, it's a lot of things. So, but for the next time. Hi, maybe you already mentioned Velo is making a nice rise right now. Yeah, these Velo, these moves that you see when they break out against Bitcoin, you have to watch the Velo Bitcoin chart, if there is one. But I already did Velo. Maybe I'll check it in a moment. At what point on the indicator should we be closing position on loss? I notice sometimes the candle weight goes below, not the body. Should you close? You know, you should watch my indicator vids, and especially if you are in the free private group, you should watch the trading course vids. I explain everything about the indicator over there, how to trade it, how to read it, how to act on it, and how to make money on it. Engine, please. Engine. Well, the team has a 700% short running on Engine. I'll check Engine. I'll check Engine. Doge, please. Tron. Oh my God, you guys are really decent. Juan. What do we got? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. We've got Lok Jamim. Juan Sebastian Tobon Londono. Well, a lot of names, bro. A lot of names. Alpiman, welcome, my Irish butter. A lot of coins had some negative funding on selected exchanges, and Bitcoin had negative funding on Kraken. Yeah, well, I'm gonna be honest with you, Alpiman. I haven't been checking those today. The team has been checking them, and they've also been trading today. And they've been shorting Bitcoin also. There are nice gains on that one, but I have to check it. I really don't know, but Alpiman, very good that you're focused and knowing what you're doing, because that's what a trader does. This was last night. Can you give your thoughts on Z-Arrow? Well, Z-Arrow is very simple. Z-Arrow, it has been airdropped, and the ones that have been airdropped have been dumping on retailers like crazy. Tell us about those main coins, bro. Oh, I did that one already. I did that one already in a previous vid. I did that one already. And now I showed you today the ETH narrative coins. So you can add those also. Okay, Finn will start to watch. Well, let's target for the US 500. This actual pullback. Yeah, that's a good one, Kaufman. Because, you know, for now, I don't know for how long, because you know, the US 500, those bulls over there in at Wall Street, these are very dangerous bulls, bro. These are really very dangerous. Look at this chart. I was looking. These are very dangerous bulls, because now, what would be a very healthy correction for now? Well, I think that we have to come visit this one, 5363. So that's about, what is it? It's about 2-3%. It's not a lot. But you know, Gary, on the macro, I pointed out my resistance level. It was at around 5,500. We went above it on the futures a little bit, and then it came down. So for now, you remember that chart with all those roundings, that wedge, that rising wedge. So for now, you know, the US 500, you have to just watch it day by day. You cannot predict this monster. This thing is the most dangerous chart in the world. It rules everything. And so I just take it day by day, Gary. I just take it day by day. Let me see. Meme coin. You mean meme coin. Okay. Also GNS. Good evening, guys. Please check your, can you please check VRA? VRA? Oh my God. Can you give us a silver buy order? Silver. I gave you guys a silver buy order in the free private at 20 bucks. I told you I'm going all in. For the ones that remember. I told you I'm going all in. I'm gonna put all my money in. I put all my money in at 20 bucks. Think about that one. Vi is also a relative. Atolik, you keep talking about this Vi. I'm gonna do Vi today. Vi, let me, I want to see this Vi, because you keep talking about Vi. Why are you always talking about Vi? What is Vi? Vi, what is this Vi coin? What is this Vi coin? Vi, you keep talking, it's AI related. Okay. If it's AI related, oh, it's an altcoin. It's no new coin. Such an altcoin in AI. Okay. Let me check the tokenomics. Vi. How is it looking? What is Vi? What is Vi doing? Why you keep talking about Vi? If you're talking about Vi, so probably you've been seeing it somewhere on YouTube, or you're seeing it. Oh my God, looking good. 40 million, 47 million fully diluted market cap. Okay, I'm gonna write this one up. So I'm gonna check this Vi. I want to know what Vi is, because I'm liking the tokenomics, and I'm also liking liking the chart. VI. So VI, we're gonna check VI. It's bottoming out. Let me see VI. VI is looking good. I don't know. Did you do some research on the fundamentals of VI? Because you're saying that they have something AI related. So, but what do they have AI related? What's going on? What do they have that we don't know? But listen, bro, whatever it is, this is the bottom. At least the previous bottom. So, so if you zoom out, what I'm seeing over here is I'm seeing a possible double, a bottom, and go up. You could also see it over here as a double bottom, this range over here, based on this one over here. So this could also up, down, double bottom, and then it went up, down, another bottom, hold support over here, and then go up. Possible. So VI is looking good, chart-wise, tokenomic-wise. It's looking good, but I don't know the coin, so I need some fundamental new info about this coin. But it's looking good. Let me take it to the next one, because I was seeing someone said something about. Did I see some? What was it that I saw? What is it that I saw? What did I see? I forget about GMX. GMX. Let's check GMX. GMX. How is GMX doing? I haven't been checking GMX for a very long time. What's going on with GMX? Oh my God. You know, I'm getting flashbacks from people that have been shilling GMX to death. And when you see these charts and then you think to yourself, I'm so happy to be doing what I do and keep warning retailers about this. And this is really mind-blowing. GMX looking so bad. What's going on with GMX? Oh my God, we even made a new low. Maybe there's another chart, by the way, because I'm charting it on Binance. There'll probably be another chart. So let me check another chart of GMX. So to have some more info, let me put it on Polynex. So let me see GMX. Oh, it's the same. Oh my God, this thing is looking so wrecked. What's going on with GMX? GMX is supposed to be a solid project. It's an exchange, but why is it so wrecked, decentralized, etc., etc.? Well, tokenomics are looking great, bro. Tokenomics are looking really good. This is really GMX. It's bottoming out, bro. For now, it's bottoming out. So this is the accumulation zone over here. So everything 27, 28 to 23 could be a scoop for GMX if you believe in the project. They have something going on or whatever. But I think GMX is the same, just like Woo is. Something like that. So keep an eye on this one. So it's bottoming out. Looking good. GMX. Solana. I do not do Solana, Danny. Why? Why? Yes, Sergio Guerre, you can use the indicator on anything. Anything that's related to money, you can trade it on. It's what saves you and shows you the way. So you can trade it on that one. That is making nice. Okay, let's see. Solana, Danny, I'm an anti-Solana guy. So forgive me. Just forgive me. I will not chart Solana. I really don't like Solana. Let me see. What do we got? What did we got over here? What do we got? Chiswell, silver, all silver, jealous, Chiswell, render. Thanks, man. Thanks for checking. Okay, render. Mustache guy. Well, mustache guy. That's a nice mustache you got over there. Mustache guy. Render. Why not? Let's do render. Render. What's going on with render? What is going on? Render. I've got, I have to give it to Ren from Crypto Banter. I have to give that respect to him. He was calling render around 30 cents. Many of you guys maybe don't remember that, but he was calling a lot of tops also, and well, but he also was calling render at these zones. But render is also Solana related, and Ren is a super Solana guy. and I'm the opposite, but he has been calling this one. I've also made a lot of money on trading Render. But Render is very simple, Monsieur Moustache. Monsieur Moustache, I don't buy FOMO, I don't buy at these levels. It's just as simple. I want, you know, I've been sharing with you guys a lot of charts that are at these regions. And I don't buy coins that are at these levels. It's just, no matter how great Render is, no matter what it is, it's no Nvidia. You know, so I only buy in coins. So if I'm gonna put in my money, I'm gonna risk my money, I risk at the bottom where the blood is. I don't risk my money on coins that are at these regions. So I'm sorry, but that's just how it is. It's finding support. This is the support for Monsieur Moustache. This is the support over here at 6.3. So if we lose this one, well, that's not great. But you know, it needs to hold support on this one. Let me put it on the weekly. We're holding the indicator, by the way, also over here. So this is how it's looking. Hold, hold, bounce. Hold, hold. Maybe you'll get another bounce up. Also maybe a W, but you know, you really need Bitcoin to hold the ranges. If Bitcoin start dumping, Render will probably also dump. So I'm gonna do one more, guys, and then I'm gonna close it up. Core, that's very good. No, bro, Polkadot is not dead. I am buying Polkadot, and I'm buying GLMI. So Polkadot is not dead. I know it's a lot of pain because it's not moving. Polkadot is definitely not dead. I'm buying it on every dump. So I'm buying Polkadot and I'm buying also GLMI. But do your own research. That's just my my thing. Core. By the way, triple witching day. Extreme volatility happening tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Okay, on Wikipedia. Triple witching day. I really don't know it. I never heard of it. Triple witching day. Witching hour. Is there some other... Are there some contracts ending tomorrow? Maybe on the stocks? Well, let's see. I will Google it. I will Google it for sure. Triple witching day. Never heard of it. Extreme volatility happening tomorrow. Okay. Triple witching. I will definitely. I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do core because I'm liking core. Core is also getting a lot of hype lately. So I want to check core. So core. I want to check core. It has been making some nice rises up. And it has been dumping like crazy again. So we're holding the line over. I will definitely buy some core. Let me check first the tokenomics before I'm telling you if I'm gonna buy this. It needs to be healthy. If it's not healthy, I'm not buying it. Let's see. Maybe trading it, not buying it. Trading and buying something is a big difference. Fully diluted 2.8 with a market cap 1.2 billion. That's a lot, by the way. It's a big market cap. What is going on with this core? Let's say, you know, I don't know enough about core, but I know that a lot of solid people are very bullish on core. And maybe I'm gonna do some more research because I've been reading some, but you know, I've been reading about so many coins that, you know, I can't, you know, I don't remember anymore what is, and there are just too many projects out there, guys. That's the problem. There are too many projects and there is not enough money. There's not enough money coming in. The big VC money that we used to see in the previous cycles is all invested in Nvidia and AMD and a lot of other stocks. They're making their big gains over there. And some of them trade some meme coins. So the solid projects, just like VeChains, the Polkadots, the Cardanos, etc., it's somehow VC's smart money is not buying in on them because they're just too focused on the rises on the stocks. And I've been showing you guys how much money these guys are making over there. So why would they buy in Core or Polkadot or whatever? But ETH is our hope. ETH, because ETH is the one that destroys the dominance chart. ETH is the one that could get the money back in to the altcoins and a lot of other projects. So that's our hope that we have. So we have to start praying that the markets will dump down. Bitcoin makes its dump down. And that's when that thing that I showed you guys on ETH, it breaks out. And this one. This is the plan, guys. This is the plan. You have to always have a plan. This is my plan. This is my plan. My plan is over here. A big dump on Bitcoin. 60K, 55K, 50K. I don't care even if it would go to 40K. I really don't give a damn. And the market's also making a very healthy correction, 5%, 6, 7, 8%, whatever. Or maybe even a big dump down. Guys, I will be buying in because I know that this thing will break out. And when this thing breaks out, that's when the altcoin rally begins. In my opinion, it will be a short one, but it could happen. But you know, we only need 2 months. In 2 months, you can make a 20, 30, 40, 50x on your portfolio. It's really possible, guys. I've done it a lot of times. And it happens only in 2 months. But you have to be listening to me when I start telling you, get out, start selling. Because if you don't, all those gains will be for nothing. So just keep that in mind. That's my thing. That's my job, to tell you guys when to be cautious. So there's nobody on the webs that does that better than me. Nobody. And if you know someone, well, bring him. Bring him. Show me who he is. Show me. Okay, well, let me see. Guys, Anchor, I'm very bullish on Anchor, Daddy Dix. I already talked about that. I'm bullish on buying Anchor on any drop. So I'm super bullish core, DCA, and forget for me. Yes, okay, well, you probably did your research on core, and it has already dumped a lot. So we are at pretty good buying zones. Future option or expire. Yeah, I thought so, Atolik. I thought so. The way you told me that, I thought it had something to do with the expirations of a lot of futures and options or whatever. Let me see. DXY. I will do that one tomorrow, guys. I want to thank you all for watching, joining in. For now, the markets are going a bit sideways. So keep an eye on these ones, guys. Keep an eye on this one. It's all happening over here now. You guys see how many alarms I've got over here? You probably think this guy is crazy. No, I'm not crazy, guys. This is how you make money. You have to connect the charts. So thanks all for joining in. I'll be sharing as much. No one ever says get out, sell. No one ever says get out, sell. Well, I will say that. I said it a lot of times. Look, Jamin. I said it past week. I said it a week before. I say it a lot. I say it a lot. Thank you, Ragvendra. Guys, follow me on Twitter. I share everything I do. Everything that's important for you guys to make money and not to lose money, I share it on Twitter. So I share it on Twitter. So everything when you see me sharing something, know that there is something going on. For the ones that want to join us, well, the new partner, Blowfin, with his deposit bonus or whatever, supposed to be one of the best exchanges for retailers. That's what retailers keep telling me. I'm gonna check it out. If you want to join the free private, the MW indicator, links are below. Have a nice one. Thanks all for joining in, and bye-bye. you.